So in order to purchase SafeMoon and SafeMars, you will need the Trust Wallet app by Binance. So you will just download that in your app store, and then you will also need to have CoinMarketCap open so that you can have the contract. So what you're going to do is you're going to go here and you are going to actually add SafeMoon and SafeMars to your Trust Wallet once you have it open. So I already do have them open so I can add them to my wallet. So the first thing I'm going to do is in my Trust Wallet, I'm going to purchase BNB. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click buy, I'm going to click on BNB, and then I'm going to type in the amount that I want to purchase, which for this example is just going to be $100 worth of BNB, and it's going to pull up Simplex. So now I'm going to need to purchase BNB, and it's going to take me to a third-party provider. That's what Simplex is, and you pretty much just click on next and it will take you over to the payment provider's website.
So once it's loaded, you just type in your card information here, or you use Apple Pay, and then you are able to move on to the next step. I'm going to use Apple Pay, so you'll be able to see that there. So now that I did the Apple Pay, I just have to check both boxes. I'm going to delete the one on the bottom. I'm going to check the one for the terms and conditions and then click Pay Now. And then once that's done, the BNB will be funded to your wallet. I had to type in a code that they sent me to my email, and now it says that my credit card is being verified. Don't close out the window. So I'm just going to let it wait on that. Once it's gone through, it's going to look like this, and then you just click Return to Trust Wallet, and it will redirect you back. Then you just click Done, and ultimately it will show up right here under BNB. So I just give it a couple minutes to go through. Now that I have the BNB in my wallet, the first step is going to be to swap it out for Smart Chain BNB. So basically you're just going to click here, you're going to click 100%, and it's going to swap 100% of it from regular BNB to Smart Chain BNB, which is what you need to be able to convert it to, okay, might take a few minutes. It better not take a few minutes, y'all. But after that, you're going to be able to then head over to PancakeSwap to be able to convert it to your currency. Okay, perfect. So now that the BNB is converted to Smart Chain BNB, it will show up in your wallet. And now you will go over to your browser and you will type in PancakeSwap. So you would just search it right here. But what you need to do is actually get it so that your browser trusts your phone. So you will go to Safari and you will type in trust semicolon forward slash browser underscore enable, and it will take you back onto the Trust Wallet platform, and you will be able to use the internet freely from there. So then you will type in PancakeSwap and click on it. It is considered a DApp. So once you're there, you will be able to see your wallet in the top right corner. So make sure that your wallet is in the top right corner. From there, you will go to BNB, and you will need to have the address of the coin that you are switching it over to. So for instance, in this case, I'm switching it over to SafeMoon. Click right over here to the contract for SafeMoon, which is going to be on CoinMarketCap. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on the Smart Chain contract right here, and you're just going to click on those two little squares, and it's going to copy it for you. And then you're just going to paste it right here in the search name or paste address. Since I've actually used it already, then I'm just going to click on SafeMoon, and I am going to click on Max to convert all of it to SafeMoon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to allow a slippage tolerance. You want to allow a slippage tolerance of 11% or higher. Right now mine is on 12%, increase the slippage to 12%. If not, I'll just decrease the amount from the max because it does charge a little bit of a network fee. So it charges a network fee of $1.18 on this transaction. I am spending $106.45 and I am going to click send. The transaction was submitted. So now if you want to see the progress of the transaction, you would just click view on BSC scan and you will be able to see the status of the transaction right here. And it says pending. And once this transaction has gone through, you will be able to see it in your wallet. Okay, so now that it says success and it has 6 block confirmations, I'm going to go back to my wallet and I should be able to see the increase in SafeMoon to my wallet right here. I previously had purchased some SafeMoon, so this is just more being added, but I will be able to see it right here in my transaction history, and that is it. You can then hold it in your Trust wallet, and yeah, so that's going to be it, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe down below for more videos. And I do have links to ways for you to get free crypto down below. And once again, I really hope that you guys get some gains off of this and are able to finally buy some SafeMoon.